How to add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I'll show you how to add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify. Before we get started, it's normal for some songs to be available in other music listening platforms like Apple Music and not on Spotify, such as this song by Michael Jackson, Stranger in Moscow. But what I have here is the Tame Impala cover. Tame Impala is one of my favorite bands. And if I look up their cover on Spotify, let's try this. Stranger in Moscow, Tame Impala. I don't see any results. The only thing I have here is the original by Michael Jackson and other songs by Tame Impala. Now, in order for me to listen or add this song to my Spotify, what I have to do is sync my local files and to my Spotify library. Now, in order for me to do that, and before I do that, the local files are actually the songs you can find in your Apple Music library right here. And some of the songs that I have right here are downloaded from YouTube and I just transferred them to my Apple Music. Others are from iTunes Store. This is actually the easiest because when you go to the iTunes Store, you can just look up the music you like, check if it's available, like this one maybe. As you can see, you can just tap on this song. You can download the whole album or you can just download the song you'd like by tapping on the price and just confirm you'd like to make a purchase. Now, after you purchase the song from Apple Music or iTunes Store, you should see them in your music's library now. So, my examples are these ones. These ones are from iTunes Store. And in order for me to watch or listen to them in my Spotify library, I have to go to my Spotify homepage. From here, just tap on the settings or gear icon at the right top corner and scroll down until you see local files. Tap local files and then turn on show audio files from this device. There's a confirmation below that your local files have been added to your Spotify library. To go to your Spotify library, just tap on your library icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And if you scroll down, you see or you should see an album for your local files. These are the same thing or same songs I have in my Apple Music. And there you have it. That's how easy it is for you to add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.